And go.
Hello again, it's Matt from Ontario Chrysler dealership in Mississauga, and today we're going to remove the roof off of a 2020 Gladiator. This one happens to be a Rubicon. To start off, we're going to jump in. We're going to turn the 3 latches. We're going to bring this piece down. And that's basically all there is to it. Next, we're going to take our handy tool that came with our Jeep, by all means. It does fit in a standard bit size. There's going to be 2 screws, one on either side of the front. Fairly long, thus use your drill. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on this side. Once these are removed, we're going to jump on the other side and do the disconnect for the power. We're going to put our thumb on this side, push out, just like it shows on the edge of the piece. We're going to move the red clip, again, just like on the doors, and push and pull to remove the... We're going to then take it out of the snap on this side, and after both are removed on the tops, after the ones are on the sides are removed, it's essentially lifting the top right off.